Right away, you can feel it. The air is thick, warm, and alive. Everything is green, layered, textured, endless. I'm in one of the best places in Costa Rica to experience the rainforest from above. Hanging bridges, deep jungle, and spectacular views of the Arenal Volcano. Today, I'm hiking and photographing Mistico Hanging Bridges Park near La Fortuna. This park sits just outside La Fortuna. It's a place where you can step straight into the heart of the rainforest. Although you are walking on well-groomed trails, they still feel wild. In only a few steps, I stop constantly, photographing moss-covered trees, massive ferns, and water droplets clinging to leaves. The light changes every few seconds as sunlight streaks through trees. This is one of those places where you slow down without even realizing it. Today I'm trying to capture the mood of the rainforest, how the place feels. My legs feel a bit shaky at the first hanging bridge. As soon as I step onto it, my entire perspective changes. The bridge sways just slightly, and suddenly you're eye level with the rainforest canopy. Looking down, the forest feels endless. Looking out, it's nothing but layers of green disappearing into itself. This is easily one of the best spots in the park for wide shots. The sounds of the rainforest are constant. Insects buzzing, birds calling, leaves rustling. And off in the distance, you can hear howler monkeys echoing through the trees. I start focusing more on the small details. Fungi growing from fallen logs, textures in bark, butterflies resting for just a moment before takeoff. Even when nothing dramatic is happening, there's always something to capture. Then, through a break in the trees, you see a glimpse of it, the Arenal Volcano. Most of the time it's partially hidden by clouds, but when it reveals itself, even briefly, it's spectacular. The last activity in the volcano was just in 2010. It's quiet, powerful. Its underground heat feeds La Fortuna's famous hot springs. It's still alive. As I cross the final hanging bridge, I stop and take in all the rainforest has to offer. Below me, the rainforest continues forever. Mistico isn't about rushing or checking boxes, it's about perspective. About seeing the rainforest from above, below, and being right in the middle of it. If you're visiting La Fortuna, this hike is definitely worth it. I use my photography to connect with the natural world, here or back home on the Canadian prairies. It forces you to slow down for a bit. The cicadas are loud now. I hear a howler monkey in the distance. Walking under the rainforest canopy, you're reminded of the importance of nature. Nature feeds us, heals us, and inspires us. I love how photography connects me to the natural world.